Hi! I just remembered na meron pa pala tayo nitong ball na 'to, My Mini Baby Series 2. So, very limited yung mga balls natin. If you guys notice, we are more on like Raymond's, Me and House, yung mga ganyan na miniatures. And I just remembered na meron tayo nitong 05 surprise because kakapanood ko lang kay Sis Maren. Ito yung account niya, guys. Follow niyo rin siya kasi ang gaganda rin ng content niya. Ang gaganda ng mga miniatures niya. So, samahan niyo ako, open natin 'to. Let's go! Parang hirap mag-perfect. Ano naman? Sabi ko dito, eto yung gusto ko. Yan tayo lumabas, in fairness. Kaso tulog yung baby, so sana crib na lang pala. You guys, I think we got this. Kasi ito yung, looks like, diba? Can't be a stroller. It's a pool. Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh. Ganyan yan siya. Guys, how can I put her dito sa pool? She's sleeping. Look at her, so pretty. And very smooth yung texture. Look at those small hands. Paano kaya kung gumising to mamayang 3 a.m.? Naku po. Guys, we definitely need to get her a crib. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, she's sleeping doon. I think we need the beddings for this, no? Saan kaya kukuha? But yeah, kaso, kung magkaroon tayong chance to get a crib, may kasama na nung na baby. So, tabi sila, no? Pwede na siguro. Pag kasi sleeping na sa pool, yung tent ko kumakain, sleeping din. Ganun. But yeah, super cute pala na to, no? Mali niyo makuha natin to. We need to get another ball. What do you think? Oh, thanks for watching. Bye! God bless everyone.